Let's write the structural formula for 1-Propanol. This is also called propan-1-ol. Same compound. This is the more systematic IUPAC name. This is probably the more common name. So if we wanted to write the chemical formula, that's the molecular formula, that's C3H7OH. But the structural formula for 1-Propanol, that'll give us the arrangement of the atoms in 1-Propanol. So if we look at the name, we have OL at the end, both of these. When you see OL on the end, that's an alcohol. So we're going to have an OH group on one of the carbons. And that's why we put this OH here at the end to show that it's an alcohol. If you look at prop, that means 3. So we have 3. That's going to be the longest carbon chain. So we'll have 3 carbons. In one of them, we'll have an OH group. That OH group is going to be on the first carbon. So here's a chain of 3 carbons. Right now, this is propane, 3 carbons with single bonds. And each one of these lines goes to a hydrogen atom. But we want propanol. So we need to put an OH on the first carbon. If we number the carbons, this will be our first carbon. And we can put the OH here, here, or here. It really doesn't matter. Let's put it on the top. So this is the formula for 1-Propanol. If we had 2-Propanol, this would just be over here. We don't have a 3-Propanol because now we would want to renumber these 1, 2, 3, and then the alcohol group that would be on the first carbon. So 1-Propanol right here. If we look at the molecular model, that looks like this. So we have our 1, 2, 3 carbons, and then we have hydrogens on those. Right here, this OH, this is what makes it an alcohol. This is Dr. B with the structural formula for 1-Propanol. Thanks for watching.